He seems like a nice kid who has arthritis in his feet at age 20 to me. He's got arthritis in his feet. You ever heard about somebody having arthritis in their feet?
I've heard of it before, but
I haven't.
it's fairly isolated.
Listen, why don't you cut this kid a break?
Court Uncut. What the people want.
Real quick. Connor William Arthur Brandt, 25W839-265. This won't take more than a minute. Mr. Brandt, your name? Did you talk to the prosecutor?
No, I was just sitting.
Mr. Crawford, don't go anywhere. Okay, really. I'm going to call these other two for in 1 second. He said set for 9:30 a.m., not present at 10:40 a.m. And then I got a stip here saying adjourn per stip. Did you talk to the prosecutor?
No, sir.
You mean you've been sitting out there this whole time and nobody came and talked to you?
Right.
Go take him to the prosecutor right now, please. People against Connor William Arthur Brandt, 25W265.
Morning.
Good morning. I feel bad you were waiting so long.
It's okay.
What was your breathalyzer result?
Say that again.
What was your breathalyzer result?
They just told me. I don't want to tell you a number if you're wrong.
So you don't know?
I can't remember.
Come on, Mr. Yeah, come on. It's got a .026.
I think that's what he said.
You got a marijuana pen in your pocket too?
Yeah, I'm a medical.
Pardon?
I'm like medical or like to get right.
Holy,
20.
what happened? What's your physical situation that requires you to have a medical marijuana card?
I have arthritis in my feet.
Arthritis in your feet.
Yes.
Did you play sports?
No. Well, a little bit, but no. Not
Arthritis in your feet?
Yes, sir.
I don't know if I've ever heard of somebody having arthritis in their feet.
Well, like my heels, yeah.
What do you work at?
I work for Rock Brothers Landscaping.
Who do you live with?
My mom and dad.
Graduate?
No, sir.
Why not?
I got a 1-year-old, so it's just hard with work and
My God, you got a lot going on, son.
and I'm married, so
You're married, 1-year-old, no diploma, you're trying to make a living,
yes, sir.
and you're fooling around with marijuana because you got arthritis in your feet. Right?
Yeah. It relaxes me and it just does soothe the pain a little bit. It's less.
It relaxes you. That's the operative word. Soothes the pain. You got arthritis in your feet at 20, and you want me to think you've got so much pain. Mr. Urich, your name?
William Urich on behalf of the city of Woodhaven, Your Honor.
He seems like a nice kid who has arthritis in his feet at age 20 to me. He's got arthritis in his feet. You ever heard about somebody having arthritis in their feet?
I've heard of it before, but
I haven't.
it's fairly isolated.
Listen, why don't you cut this kid a break? I don't want he doesn't need the MIP on his record. That's going to just cause him insurance rates. He only had an 026. How old are you? 20?
20, starting 21 within December 4th.
Why don't you cut him a break? Give him something else if you don't mind.
We don't mind.
Impeding something like that, so his insurance, so he doesn't fall on their Christmas card list where they're sending him plants and, big baskets at Christmas because his rates went up so bad. Would you change this for me?
I would, Your
I
Honor.
try not to get involved, but I think in this, he seems like a nice kid. Plus somehow he was waiting out there.
Well, thank you.
Mr. Connor, Mr. Brandt,
Yes, sir.
you got to reevaluate. I don't want to make a bigger deal about this though, but come on. You fool around with marijuana, you tell me you got, I'm just amused that somebody's telling me they got arthritis in their feet. I never heard anybody having arthritis in their feet. Maybe they
I really do. I was I was actually,
Well, what happened? What happened that caused you to get arthritis in your feet? Did you
that's
break
what I
your
was
feet?
gonna tell you. So when I was 16, I was locked up.
Locked up?
Yes.
For what?
Different story.
For what?
It's taken care of.
I didn't ask you
It
that.
was B&E. I was a young punk kid, didn't surround myself with best people, so,
So you were locked up, and how'd that cause you to get arthritis in your feet?
so I was playing basketball on the court one day out there.
You mean in
and
prison or at the juvenile detention center?
At Wolverine Human Services in Vassar. Vassar. That's it's like a placement. So I was at JDF and then I got sent to a placement. And then when I was playing basketball, actually fractured my ankle and I went to a foot specialist and that's how I got told I have arthritis and all this other stuff.
And the feet,
Yes.
not on the ankle joint or anything, but they.
Yeah. So I
Well,
went.
he's offering you impeding. You're good with this?
Yes, Your Honor.
You sure?
People
You
so
sure?
move.
Okay. You want to plead to impeding traffic?
Yes, sir.
What kind of child do you have? Boy or girl?
He's a boy. He's 1 year old.
And you live with your wife?
Yes, sir.
Good. To the charge of impeding traffic, responsible or not responsible.
Possible.
This is 195 for the MIP. MIP dismissed, please accept it to impeding 195. When can you pay this? How about $50 a week?
That works.
For $50 each week beginning November 17th.
Okay. Thank you.
You're a nice looking kid, but get yourself a diploma for the, you know what I mean? Well, you're not gonna make any money if you don't get at least a diploma or a GED. I don't know where you're gonna work at. They want, will they even hire you at McDonald's now without a high school? I'm just asking. I'm not trying to be a wise guy.
They will just. Honestly.
I'm just asking, will they? I don't even know if they will
They
hire
will.
you.
I think it'd be more of a scare for a high school diploma. I've not been asked. I've been a patient sitter. I've reported brand new 2025 Raptor R's, F-150 Bronco Raptors. Never asked to see a high school diploma. I've had hella jobs without a high school. I think it's just a scare.
You've had real good jobs?
Real good, like I'm 20. I was making 22 an hour at Roush. I got laid off because I was a contractor. I was the first to get laid off. So I have touched some pretty decent jobs.
All right. I mean, he's got a good personality. I think you could
I
do
try.
something. Good luck.
Well, thank you, man.
If you need more time, you come talk to me, will you?
All right, yeah, well, thank you.
To pay, I mean.
You can now become a member of Court Uncut, where you get early access to videos, exclusive member-only content, a Court Uncut badge, and more. Thank you for all your support. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more crazy court hearings like this one.